Hello and welcome once again to Hour 1. As always, I'm Charlie, and this time I'll be checking out the game Exploding Zoo on the PS4. As always, I'll be playing the first hour of the game and give my thoughts and impressions on it afterwards. So with that being said, let's get to it. Starting the timer now, I guess. How do I destroy? Collect. Destroy. What the fuck? Sweet mother of I don't know what! That should be enough. Or not. I wish you could see the face I'm making right now. Like, I don't know what's even happening anymore. What kind of weird fucked up game is this? Okay. I should have videotaped this. I'm just standing here with my mouth just completely ajar like an idiot of some kind. Yep, these fuckers are dumb. Oh, it's gonna be a waste of a gator. No, it won't. Never mind. I think deep down, part of me always knew I'd someday find myself playing a bullshit game like this. Channel. I had no idea it would make me so weirdly uncomfortable, as this game has chosen to do. Yep, that was a waste of a gator. It's about to get the egg! No! Woo! What kind of a horrible, entertaining zoo is this? To me, my monkey army! Charge! Alright. Ah, that music is so annoying! Switch went to lie! Whoa! Da-na-na-na. Oh, come on, please, for love of all things unholy work. Oh, this game is fucking weird, but I kinda love it. Press the fucking plunger! Alright, so I'm going to call this one a little early. We're going to call it at roughly 40 minutes, give or take a couple seconds. So, Exploding Zoo. I started off very what the fuck with this game, and my enthusiasm has definitely dulled some. It's a puzzle game. It's a pretty basic puzzle game with a kind of weird set of controls for it. As you saw, the animals explode to kill aliens. That is the premise of the game, and certain amounts of special abilities you need. It's part planning, part execution, part just knowing which ones to use at what time and how to get around the level. It's a neat game. Part of me wonders if it might be a little better on, I don't know, like a tablet or something where touch controls worked. The controller I was using worked fine. Just kind of felt a little strange the entire time, especially because I had 5 or 6 buttons that all did the same thing. And I found some stuff I could aim my guys to send them off towards targets. That never came into play, which maybe it will eventually, but I don't know. Like, I just got into lions, which slows stuff down. There's obviously a lot of depth built into the game. I'm just not sure I care to experience it. Like, this would make a fantastic party game so long as people aren't huge animal lovers, because these animals do explode and they're cute. It's ridiculous. I'm not sure I'd play it again for a full hour, let alone like 20 minutes. Like, this is a hour. This is like a couple levels here, a couple levels there, maybe trying to burn some time kind of game. If you're into puzzle games, it's a cool one. If you're really into puzzle games, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is a play the full hour kind of thing and don't stop playing. I'm sure some games can be addictive. Yeah, this one's, I've played a bunch of puzzle games for the channel, and I've liked some of them. This one's kind of just really, really, really repetitive because the answer is always the same. It's blow open doors so you get enough stuff to kill the aliens. And the times where it has changed it up, like hiding them behind bushes, it was just annoying and not a fun, refreshing change. The levels kind of blend together after a couple levels. It's a cool concept. It's a ridiculous concept, which I'm generally a huge fan of. It's just not a fun, continuous play, if that makes any sense to people out there. It's fun at first, and if you were passing the controller around and playing with like 5 or 6 other people, this could be a really fun party game. But by yourself, it's really, really repetitive. And maybe I'll play more. It's like, it's not a bad game at all. I've played 40 minutes and I don't have any will to play more of it. It's just kind of boring at this point, which is kind of a shitty thing to say, but there's not a lot. Maybe I'll get to more depth, maybe I won't, but as of right now, there's not a lot of extra stuff going on to keep me playing for extended periods of time. But yeah.